those nice pants.
Ready?
You want to follow me, or?
Sure. Oh, she's fucking getting it. Do you want some criticism or no?
I don't care.
You're good with moving your bottom half, but you also have to move your upper half too.
That makes me nervous.
So remember to push your bike away. There you go. Put your head down, like kiss your mirrors, what they say. There's a few like good techniques that people say to have good BP. Like there's a elbow to knee trick. Like, you know, right now you'd have your right elbow kind of touching your right knee to keep your body low, you know?
Mm-hmm. Look at that view.
That view, boys. This is like what brings me joy in my life.
Riding with me?
Yeah, riding the dragon with you.
It only took us almost 15 years together to get it.
Oh man, like, you never know what you're missing.
I mean, I'm sure there's even better roads out there too, possibly.
This is, yeah, but this is like...
I know, it's one of the most thought out areas.
Like top 10 in like, I don't know about the world, but definitely in America. Gravity Cavity.
Oh, I don't like that.
Woo!
I forgot it dipped.
1 hour later.
Alright, so we took a little bit of a break. We're back on the road again. This is Route 28. On the way to like Fontana Dam. If you want to go that far, you can go to Maggie Valley this way. That's where Wheels for Time is.
Still in North Kakalaki.
North Kakalaki.
Wow. You ain't having shit. For anybody that needs to know, John just got very excited because he thought he was going to get a drink out of that.
Well, children of the internet. Apparently, my SD card is full, so I don't know how much I freaking recorded. But this, you can't tell, this is the Fontana Dam here in North Carolina. Here in the Smoky Mountains, friggin' gorge. I wonder if this is why they call them the Smoky Mountains. Har har. So whatever body of water that this is, it connects Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Bama, Georgia, South Cackalack, North Cackalack, and Virginia.
Nothing goes into South Carolina.
Well, this is South Cackalack.
It said over there this is the Tennessee River, yeah.
Oh, the Tennessee River, excuse me. Yo, this is my Nicka Jack. I didn't say it, it's on there. Onward and upward. Fontana Dam, boys and girls. This is cool, man.
Ooh, it's chilly.
I love it.
You can't even see the water.
Can't even see the road. This is cool.
When we go to Walmart tomorrow, I should buy a birthday crown and put it on my helmet for while I go by on the dragon. And then buy a picture with it on.
Yo, we need to get like a sash and everything. Like a wand you can hold up.
I just think it'd be a pretty cool picture.
We should get like matching costumes.
Says the one that never wants to dress up with me for Halloween.
Dragon's way different. The dragon is just one big exception.
I think I might have to poo-poo-pa-choo.
Say cuckoo-ca-choo.
Poo-poo-pa-choo.
You have to poo-poo?
I might have to. When I moved over, I was like, oh.
Oh?
So is that how you think I was good everything else? Just I need to move my upper too?
Yeah, footing was good, booty was good.
I'd be curious to like take a look at the footage from last year if you still have it, and then this year.
Oh yeah, do like a side-by-side. Some girls do a before and after of when they do all these rigid, extreme workouts. You know, before and after. Mine wants to do before and after track day. But you're a lot more of a technical rider nowadays. God, it's like a ghost town. It's like everybody left.
It really is. It's just so like eerie.
I know.
In a way.
Alright, so one of my most controversial videos took place right after this corner. Gonna go to the right here, and then to the left, and then here sat an 18-wheeler just stuck.
On this corner?
Right here. I'm still getting hate on that video.
Really?
Someone commented to one of the dude throwing shade. And I was like, dude, don't even waste your time on degenerates who don't even know what the tail of the dragon is. And then he just like, and this was like from, I think it said something like 36 weeks ago he posted. And then someone recently replied to him. And then that's when I was like, don't waste your time. And then he was like, don't waste your time on assholes who get all wet over someone making a mistake. Obviously that prompted me to say it's not a mistake to deliberately ignore huge signs the size of minivans that are reflective, that start tens of miles away from the tail of the dragon, that say anything with trailers over 30 feet long are prohibited because they have seriously injured people and they have killed people.
And didn't it when you originally posted that girl that lost somebody?
Yeah, so I have spoken with, I mean, not like on the phone, but I have talked with a girl who literally laid on the ground as the life of her fiance slowly left his body on the ground there because of an 18-wheeler being on the dragon, okay?
Not the one that he shot the video of.
Previously. Not the truck in my video, but a girl who lost her fiance because of an 18-wheeler being on the dragon saw my video and reached out to me and shared her story to me. You know, and obviously resonated because, I mean, nobody wants to friggin' lose anybody, especially because of someone's negligence. Anyway, with all that being said, I think we're gonna end today's video while we still have a little bit of daylight to sign us off. We're gonna end the day with a little bit of Tapoco food here. Good old Tapoco Lodge, if you've never been. It's freaking amazing.
Great view right on the water. Got some raging rapids, some cool motorcycle parking.
Anyway, guys, for KP.
Bye.
I am John.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.
Later.
Well, I guess I'll see them in the next video. Later.